Hello everyone, myself Maheshwar Kulchala. I am from secondary EC department studying at Srinivasa Raman Institute of Technology. Today I would like to give an video presentation on the topic 5 stages of design thinking and process, and it is related to the subject design thinking and innovation. Introduction to design thinking. Design thinking is a creativity problem solving approach used to develop innovative solutions. It focuses on the understanding user needs, refining problems, and creating effective solutions. Used in fields like engineering, businesses, product designs, software development. Image idea, creativity thinking or teamwork. What is design thinking? Design thinking is a user-centered methodology that combines creativity and analytical thinking. Key characteristics: focus on user, encourage experimentation, iterative process, collaboration between teams. Idea image, design thinking cycle diagram. So you can find that design thinking involves 5 steps: empathize, design, ideate, prototype, and test. Importance of design thinking. Benefits of design thinking such as encourages innovation, improves problem solving, focuses on real user needs, reduce product failure, improves teamwork. Image idea, innovative icons. So there are so many innovative icons such as idea generation, innovation, originality, problem solving, motivation, concentration, vision, and reward. 5 stages of design thinking. There are mainly 5 stages involved in the design thinking process such as empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Image idea, 5 stages circular diagram. So you can see the design thinking process involves empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Here the empathize depended on the define, and the define is depended on the ideate. Now ideate is dependent on the test and prototype. Here prototype is dependent on the ideate. So like that repeating of the cycles is involved in the 5 stages. Stage 1, empathize. Empathize stage. Empathize means understanding the users and their problems. Designers observe and interact with users to learn their needs, their emotions, and their experiences. Interview and observation. Methods used in empathize stage. Common techniques such as users interviews, surveys, observation, field studies. For example, observing how people use a mobile app. Image idea, research illustrations. So research illustration this figure we can see that idea, productive, and so many things are involved in the process for the research. Stage 2, define. Definition of the stage. In this stage, the information collected during the empathize state is analyzed. The goal is to clearly define the problem. Example statement: students need an easier way to access the study material. Image idea, problem statement diagram. Whenever a student is struggling with studies, we can make a simple diagram so that you can understand the concept easily with a simple diagram. For example, here the given diagram is there. Identify and define. It helps explore ideas, set goals, establish each option, problems, and coins. Select the creativity alternative, select the correct alternative, put into action, evaluate. So there are so many steps are involved in the picture. Stage 3, ideate. Ideation is nothing but ideation is the stage where creativity ideas are generated to solve the defined problem. The goal is to explore many possible solutions, such as, for example, the image idea brainstorming session. If you start thinking, we get any idea to relate that to that problem. Ideation techniques. Some popular techniques include such as brainstorming, mind mapping, scammer method, sketching ideas. Generating ideas for a smart study planner. Image idea is map, mind map. So here the figure shows the idea 1 and idea 2 and idea 3 and idea 4. Depending with all these ideas, we can create a mind map, such as we can easily find the solution for the problem. Selecting the best idea. After generating ideas, evaluating feasibility, consider users' needs, choose the best solution. Image idea selection chart. We can see that many ideas are coming into the one solutions that can be created by our own. Stage 4, prototype. Prototype means creating a simple model of solution. It helps designers visual ideas, identity improvements, test functionality. Image idea, product model or mock-up. Types of prototypes. There are commonly 4 types of prototypes, such as paper prototypes, digital prototypes, physical models, wireframes. For example, a basic model of a mobile app interface. Image idea prototype example. Stage 5, test stage. In this stage, the prototype is tested with real users purposes, real users. For example, and it can be used for the purpose of collect feedback, identity problems, improve the design. Image idea, user testing. So there are three. You can see in the picture, we can see that there are three main. One, uncover problems, discover opportunities, learn about us. Uncover problems. In this design, we can solve the uncover problems. Discover opportunities means we can discover the new opportunities such as related to the problem. Learn about us means you should know that particular thing on the problem. Importance of testing. Testing helps validity stay solutions, improve usability, reduction design errors. For example, student testing a study planner app. Image idea feedback illustration. So personal learning helps so many types, such as flexibility, customer pathway, student agency, integrated technology, competency based data and feedback. So there are so many ways to learn of testing. Iterative process. Design thinking is not a linear process. Designers may repeat stages such as refining the problem, creating a new prototypes, testing again and again. Image idea, iteration loop diagram. So here there are three main things, such as evaluation, creation and testing. If these things are satisfied, then only the product is coming to the public. Otherwise, the three things are going to repeat and repeat until they success. Real world example. Designing a smart water bottle. Designing a smart water bottle is nothing but it is also an innovation. It for consider 5 stages of design thinking of this smart water bottle. First stage, empathize. People forget to drink water. So many people are forgetting that to drink water. And second stage, define. Need reminder system, and they should remind the system to drink more water. And third stage is ideate. Bottle with reminder alerts. So that bottle has to be set some alerts, such as when the sound is coming, the person should be drink, so that he is thirsty, or anyway he should drink the water. Prototype, this comes under fourth stage, build model. And fifth stage is test. Users try it and give feedback. Image ideas, smart water bottle concept. Advantages of design thinking: encourages creativity, focuses on user needs, promotes teamwork, helps creative innovative solutions, image aided team collaboration. Conclusion: design thinking is a powerful method for solving complex problems. By the following 5 stages, we can solve any problem. To problem for empathize, design, define, idea, prototype, and test. Organization can be creates user friendly and innovative products. Conclusion. Thank you.